You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home inspire. Hello, hello, you guys. I'm just admiring my buds as they pop through the ground, and my gazelles are almost fully in bloom. They are turning out quite pretty. I'm excited that they came out this year. They didn't come out last year. Well, you guys, I went to at home because we're getting ready to have a funky okie backyard party. And if you don't know what funky yoki is, that is P Funk with carry on karaoke style. So my husband is turning 53 and he wanted to have a backyard party. And I have never thrown a party for my husband, so I was ready to do so. So the first thing I wanted to do was make sure, just in case the weather acted funny, because it has been, I went and got umbrellas for everyone. I didn't know how hot it would be or how cool it would be or if it sprinkled rain, but I knew I need these umbrellas just in case for whatever may happen. And so I bought this 10-foot offset umbrella. You can see that the price was $79.99. And I also picked up two more umbrellas for $39.99. And these are 7.5 feet tall. They're the same color as the tan ones, but you have to buy your own stand for these. They are sold separately and they go from $39 to $65, depending on what type of stand you picked out. I also purchased these lights for $14.99. They're string lights. They are 40 count globe lights, but I took them back, you guys, because they got green wire and I didn't want green wire lighting. So here's what my umbrellas look like. I couldn't wait to stretch them out and share them with you. These are all three of them side by side and it completely cover how I laid out my seating arrangement, which is like in a U shape. So that's how I have the umbrellas kind of going around the chairs in a U shape. And this 10-foot umbrella, I was so impressed, you guys. Only thing about it is the stand is not that strong. You really have to bolt it down or put some really heavy weight on it. And so here are the new lights that I replaced it with. I love that it had the black wire and they kind of hung like teardrops. And it was the Edison style lights and it came in 30 count. Now the globe lights were 40 count, but the 30 count still did their job. And these were a little bit more higher. The globe lights were $14.99 and these were $24.99. So when I exchanged them, I ended up having to pay an extra $20. So, but I didn't mind that. I just wanted to make sure I had the perfect look and see the little teardrop effect, and that's what I was going for. So it really worked out well. So my next adventure was to go to Home Depot, you guys, and I got 45 bags of rocks. Okay, these are all-purpose rocks, and my intentions is to extend um, my patio with these rocks to, kind of I'll go along the outside of my patio to make extra floor space. So you can do that, you guys. You can put bricks in between them, but I just wanted to just put them all out, and they're called All Purpose Stone by Vigoro, and 45 bags at $3.98. So I think they were roughly $200 worth of gravel. So the next place I went was to Goodwill, and I picked up boxes of records because if you buy them by the box, they're $3.98. They're not in much shape. Some are scratched up, some might have been perfect, and some of the boxes had 9 records in them. So it's a better deal because if you buy them separately, they're $1 a piece. And what I did was I sprayed them gold on one side, and I'm gonna hang them on the wall because this is a funky party, and it's all about music. So I think they'll be perfect. And you can also do some really cool DIYs like put mirrors on them. Okay, so Party City sent me a coupon and I looked at my email and I was like, oh, it's after 9. I can't do anything with this coupon. And it was a 1 day only sale, which was a trick because the next day I got another coupon after ordering this and paying shipping. I could have just waited and went into the store and picked these items up for less because I got two kits. Well, I got one kit for a set of 3 racks, and you can see it came with the oil globes, and they were really kind of different. And the dinner pans and the warmers, and it also came with serving utensils. You guys, I love the color. You can get it in silver, gold, or black. I chose gold because that's my theme for this funky, oaky backyard party, you guys. So I thought the gold pans would be a hit, and plus gold is popular these days, and I really like that. So roughly this kit in the mail cost me about $45 or so and some change because we also pay shipping. So it really wasn't too bad of a kit. I mean, in prices, but you can also go in the store and buy them separately. And I saw that the racks were sold separately in the store for $5.99 a piece. But I love that they're gold racks, so your girl's not throwing these out. She's gonna keep them for parties to come. So these are the flatware that came with it, except for the tongs. I actually did take advantage of the coupon the next day and I went and got some more items like this 53 pinatas. Even though I didn't put candy in them, I thought it'd be a good table centerpiece. And I got these door streamers that you hang on your door, but I'm going to put the two together as a backdrop behind the band area because my husband likes to play music. He plays guitar and drums or whatever. And so he also got streamers, and it was 30 count in this bag, you guys. I didn't even get to use all of them. And these sprays are supposed to be the same height, but when I pulled the plastic off of them, one looks a little bit shorter to me. And they were $4.98 a piece. These straws were $3.98 a piece. They were 48. I wasn't anticipating more than 50 people coming or 48 people, but my husband never gave me a head count. And so I got these gold cups, which they were in the store saying buy one, get one free, which was not true. Okay, so now that we're in the backyard, I wanted to share with you how I did the seating. So I pulled all of my furniture off of my patio and I set my chairs apart. This is a sectional set, so I just spaced each chair apart. I put a table in between, and in between that, I had peace letters spelling out peace. As you can see, the P, and then the E, the A, the C, and the E. And these are lights, so they're going to light up this area instead of using candles. I also, now this is the morning after the party, you guys. This is the very next morning. You can see how I had the records on the wall, the tables on the back, and then that little area where all the confetti here on the ground was the dance floor. And so we had about four mics out, a piano, two sets of drums. One drum set is still out here, and they were getting down on the instruments, and we were singing, and everybody was participating. It was really, really fun, you guys. So as you can see, I made my famous mango tequila punch, and it's almost gone. It's only like a quarter of it left. It was a hit. Everyone loved it, and everyone wanted my recipe. And so we also had peace letters spelled out on the top of our hill that you could see from the road. So when you passed by, you saw these great big letters that spell out the word peace, and my party was a hit. It was about 37 people. I had cars going all around my entire block, and it was so much fun, you guys. We really had a great time, and I also still use my little lights that shine and give the color off. So we had all this lighting going on, and it was just such a great time. We had so much fun. Everyone was laughing and taking pictures and having a great time, you guys. So if you want to have your backyard party, maybe you can use some of my ideas. I hope you got something for it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.